What's up, world? Welcome to Wttdx. I'm the Dean. It's a beautiful day out. So I told the wife, like, hey, let's go out, take some shots. Plus I have the new Rf35mm F1.8. Put this into action. Where's my wife anyway? There she go right here. Beautiful wife right here, like I said, Ma'am J. Simone, or aka Janice Dean, Dixon Dean, whatever. Yeah. But anyway, we're gonna have a beautiful shoot right here. We're gonna enjoy ourselves, and yeah, enjoy this beautiful day. And here we go. Welcome to the I'm in the still. Wife getting ready. Oh, she got the pumps. Ooh. Next destination. So you gotta work what you got, you know, and make the best of it. I see a few lighting scenarios already. I see one right here. See another one right here. Smile. One thing I can say right now, this lens is pretty versatile. You know, it's pretty versatile. Yeah, I just came back from a photo shoot, back to the studio. With this video right here, I just want to show y'all a couple things. And I'll give y'all a couple perspectives. One, this right here, what I'm doing, this is called the culling process. The culling process is where you take all the photos from the photo shoot. You decipher through them. You keep what's good and what's salvageable. Is whatever the customer's request is, you keep the best. If it's 50, you keep the best 50. And you trash the rest. It's that simple. Keep the best, trash the rest. It's that simple. Also, I want to touch on this lens. This Rf35mm F1.8. It's a great lens. But yeah, this is a beautiful lens. It's the versatility and as well as the detail it captures. The dynamic range you can see. Yes, it's official. Very much so. Back to the versatility of this lens. You can capture headshots, medium shots, 3/4 shots, wide angle, full body shots. You know, get interesting perspectives. But that was just my review on this lens. Appreciate all y'all for watching. Until next time, one love. You want a more optimized YouTube experience? Holla at yo buddy, my buddy, TubeBuddy. Click that link below. You get a discount. I get some change for that. Appreciate it all. For more videos of Wttdx in the stew, click these videos.